Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be doing my makeup with you for an online ceremony I'm going to in half an hour. So today I am going to be, I guess, recognized at this ceremony. I go to the University of Texas at Austin if you're new here. It's gonna be a really chaotic video, so we're just gonna go with it. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna pause really quick. I'm going to get the makeup things I need, so they're right here, and then we're gonna do my makeup together. So this ceremony's online. No one's gonna see me other than like my friends, but I wanted to do this. Oh, I haven't filmed anything in a long time, and I thought this would be a fun way to sit and talk. First thing, Benefit Professional Primer. Not my favorite or anything, but also like does the job. Oh, but I'm being recognized today. It is Honors Day. So then this is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour wear. I saw this on TikTok and it does work. I was using the Fit Me Maybelline foundation, but I like this a lot. I like this because I like that there is a little lid that there's a pump on it, and that makes it a lot easier than trying to like pour it from a glass jar. Anyways, today going to this ceremony. A couple of my friends, they're gonna watch it with me where we live. We were gonna hook up one of our computers to the HDMI and watch it that way. So I'm actually really excited. I feel like these days any excuse I can find to like celebrate or like find joy, I don't know, I need that. Also with the changing of the seasons in spring, that always does something for my like, I feel like my mental and emotional health. I get this serotonin boost in the spring. Have not done a lot of homework today, but I was kind of hoping I would do that later today. Let's just do it later. It's fine. Other thing, a little exciting thing I'm sharing with you. I bought blue mascara last week. I was shopping for one of my friend's birthdays, but I just seen on Instagram Reels, I saw this girl putting on blue mascara and I just thought it looked really good on her. She had beautiful red hair and it just was really cool. I don't have red hair, as you can tell. I think my foundation might be too light for me. I mean, maybe not, but hopefully soon it will be. Pool days are coming up, ladies. I feel super out of practice at putting on makeup because I put on makeup like once a month tops now, because there's never a reason for me to wear makeup anymore. Oh, eyebrows. Okay, an eyelash curler. I'll start with my eyelashes. So the thing about the blue mascara is I have to put this like white primer stuff on first, and then you put the blue on. Truthfully, the blue is never like super noticeable, but I think it's like a fun little thing to be kind of extra sassy. Okay, so first L'Oreal Voluminous. This is like a little eye primer type of thing. Okay, next this is what is this? This is Maybelline Snapscara. Love this. It's super cute on, so I'm gonna show you. I think I might even like put a dress on. I've got approximately 20 minutes. And by approximately 20 minutes, I mean I have like 10 really. So, okay, so I'm gonna let this dry and then I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Honestly, I don't even know how much this is all gonna show on camera, but this is just me doing little touch-ups. This is the Benefit Brow Wiz. I need to get my brows done pretty badly. But I have been doing my brows on my own this year, and I mean, overall, like, I'm happy with the shape. Like, I can work with this. I need to kind of clean up around the bottom. It's the kind of thing you can't see. Actually, when I'm on a computer watching this back, I bet I'll see it, but I think it's okay. But, oh, I got super distracted. So I do have to work tonight, so I'm working later. But so, okay, can y'all see how blue that is? It's very blue. So my thoughts on this blue mascara though, very fun, very fresh. It's a little clumpy, except it's washable, and so my problem with that is if I ever cry with it on, I will have blue tears immediately. Like the other day, I wasn't thinking and I wore it outside, and I don't know if my eyes watered or I sweat, but I had like blue around my eyes. So how is everyone doing? Let me know. I'm gonna clean this up with Q-tips. I'm gonna put on a little bit of blush and highlighter. I don't know. This was quicker and sloppier than I meant for my makeup to be, but it's the thought that counts. Oh my gosh, yeah. I don't know if you can tell, but I kind of rearranged my room a little bit, and some of the wall art is like different, and I have lived in this room for 2 years now, and I was debating doing a room tour because on the one hand I was like, the video is up there, but then I was also like, but it's different now. Yeah, by no means am I someone who should be teaching you how to do makeup, but I hope hanging out has been fun. I'm really excited to go to my thing today. I'm going to be mailed a cord to my house, which I will be able to wear in a year at graduation. So, I mean, flex. Someone needs to take the camera away from me. I'm gonna put dry shampoo in my hair. I really desperately need to wash it, but I figured I'd be outside later today, so we're gonna not. Also, I have to go in 10 minutes, so. By go, I just mean out of my room. Gosh, is there enough in here? Y'all can help me pick out my outfit. I mean, you can't actually because you're watching this later, but I'll show you my choices. Be right back. Okay. So, thoughts on dresses. I grabbed a couple. First one, very spring. I don't think I've worn it in a ton of pictures. I don't wear dresses anymore because, like, where am I gonna wear a dress? Next one, I used to wear this a lot. I love it. It's kind of like, I don't know, it's just these vertical stripes. Very fun. I think this may be the one I go with. But then also, last choice, this one. I love this denim dress. Only bad thing is it's a little short. I think I'm going with this one. Yeah. Oh gosh, it needs to be steamed really badly, but oh well, here we are. I have the dry shampoo in my hair. I'm about to like kind of scrub off my hair and like brush it through, but I'm gonna get changed and then I'll show you my final look. Hello, I'm far away. This is my look. I love how I put on makeup literally just to go sit with friends and wear a mask, but I'll hopefully like get to take some pictures later, be kind of like, how come? I study. I'm a little extra today, but when am I not? So this is my look. I put some lipstick on while I was gone, and yeah, I might put on a necklace, but it is $149. So I'm gonna grab my laptop, grab my cord, and I'm gonna go see my friends. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. I hope that you are doing well. If you enjoyed this or have any video suggestions or things you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!